Hello friends, we have a new event called Burst of Color. We have some strong pieces. We also have some skins. Also some of the flags, but whether it is worth it or not, we will see together. First, we have the special cards, which you can get by completing daily tasks and getting 5 cards from each task. You can also get the special cards by purchasing with real money from the company. And there are offers now. Now we have 2 types of event boxes. Deluxe Battle Pass. We will test it at the end of the video. The colored boxes first, which hold many pieces such as the Ehrlich cannon is a powerful and fast cannon that was in the We also have a picture of the Lady of Hearts. Rapid detection and has powerful
and
weapons.
Also
fun
we also have the
and
destroyer
some of the
Jemiah.
gifts like art coin, anti-torpedo. Etc. We also have elegant peony camouflage. We have carnival face flags. And some gold and other gifts. You can also get some event cards to use. I wish good luck to everyone. As for the other box, which is the distinctive colored box, we have here the Turkish destroyer TF-2000, which is one of the most powerful distinctive destroyers and was in a previous event. Dragon Wing helicopter that is characterized by high speed. City of Lights camouflage. Arabian gold camouflage. And golden lace camouflage. Camouflage with pixels of valor. We have camouflages like Berserker camouflage, rapid detection, and has powerful weapons. We also have the distinctive and powerful Japanese destroyer with a high density of fire. We also have the Scorpion helicopter, one of the most expensive helicopters and with a distinctive shape. I think it needs to be redesigned and armed. Lizard camouflage, gorilla camouflage, Clover camouflage, Carnival Hurricane camouflage. And some other gifts such as gold, R2 and development points. Now let's try to cut the event together.
Heading 050, half ahead. Helicopter is destroyed. Torpedo fired. Right turn, take course 120. Enemy vessel has been destroyed. Congratulations, sir. Fire one on the point of enemy contact. Port side turn. All stations, prepare to engage enemy vessel. 15 knots. Target is destroyed. Port side turn. Prepare for launch missile ready. Target enemy warship. Fire on ready. Torpedo 2.0 ready for firing, sir. Enemy contact on the radar. Firing missile ready to warships. Starboard turn. Shoot at my command.